Do you want a simple way to teach paragraph writing? Try the Hamburger method, a visual strategy that helps students build well-structured paragraphs. The top bun is the topic sentence. Start with a clear sentence that introduces the main idea. The fillings are supporting details. Add 2 to 4 sentences that explain, describe, or give examples to support the topic. The bottom bun is the conclusion sentence. Wrap it up by restating the main idea or giving a final thought. Just like a hamburger needs all of its parts, a paragraph needs structure to make sense. The Hamburger method helps students write with clarity, organization, and confidence. Ready to serve up better paragraphs?